Welcome to Jeanette College Help, and in this video I'll be talking about the difference between college and university and also the major of engineering, just a general talk about engineering. So, between college versus a university is basically the studies they have. In university, a university tends to do more research studies, and they also tend to offer a BS, Bachelor's of Science, a Bachelor's of Arts. They offer master programs, your PhD programs, and they also offer some certificate programs, but they offer more than a college. Colleges, while some do offer bachelor's degree programs, it is very limited. For example, they might offer criminal justice, your college, but they might not offer physics. You want to be you want to study physics. You want to major to be physics or chemistry. They tend to not offer those kind of programs, while university do. Universities tend to have more money in scholarships. They offer internship programs that are only offered within the university. For example, a school around you offers, the university offers internships that's only provided through the university, while the colleges, they offer some types of internships, but it isn't as lucrative as the university. And it probably is more competitive since it's more broad and it's probably offered nationwide compared to the university. They're only recruiting from that school. So that's basically the way to show difference. My personal opinion on it is college probably saves you more money than a university due to it probably doesn't have technology fees, parking fees, gym fees, faculty fees, parking fees, etc., 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 compared to what a college has. It probably is cheaper on credit hour. I'm sorry, and because they're a lot smaller. But university, they offer more research, and I believe that's very important for especially in all the fields, because with research there's no way of knowing what you are studying is currently accurate or probably off days or incorrect. So that's my opinion on colleges versus university. A lot of people who want to study like microbiology, neuroscience, engineering, chemistry, physics, they tend to go to university because a lot of the colleges don't offer those kind of degrees. If your college offers that degree, then you're in luck, but it's very rare. So for this one, also we were talking about the major of engineering. Okay, engineering has basically, I'll say about 7 different fields. There's a lot more fields, obviously, but at least in Florida, the colleges, especially at UCF, UF, USF, FSU, they have chemical, they have mechanical, electrical, computer, civil. UF has aerospace. So basically, those are the main engineering majors you could major in the engineering college. Chemical, they all basically have the same prerequisites. I'm pretty sure, at least in Florida, you have to take your Calc 1 through Calc 3. You have to take your DE, which is differential equations. This is basically during your first 2 years. You need your physics, 1 and 2 plus labs. You need, I'm sorry, you need your chemistry. Usually they only want Chem 1. Some, like at UF, you need up to Chem 2. And if your major in engineering is chemical engineering, you need plus. You need organic and all the good ones. And then you need a foreign language. And I believe that's basically all that you need in engineering. A lot of schools require you to have a 2.5 GPA or better in those classes. Just in those. So that not mean your overall like your English and another like let's say I take speech and another math course that isn't consistent, which isn't one of these. It does not include those. It includes those classes, your prerequisites. Usually they have it on the website if you look for what they require you. It's usually 2.5 or higher, and a lot of them have like a little like asteroid mark that says basically you can only take the class. You can only retake the class one more time, and if you take it on your second attempt, you must pass. If you don't pass, then I'm not sure how they'll figure it out. But from what I understood, you're basically not admitted into the college. Engineering degrees are very lucrative in the job field. Um, Basically, from all the Yahoo research I've done, they are the majors that are needed. They always rank in the top 10. In the top 10. And you always need it, basically what I'm saying. There's many opportunities that colleges offer. What I would suggest for people to do is undergrad research. If you can, find a way to volunteer. I know a lot of counties have volunteers for the engineering program, in which I am currently volunteering in the engineer program of my county. Try to ask your professor if they know anybody. Say you work for free. Volunteering has opened a lot of eyes and opportunities for me to, further my knowledge on the field that I'm currently majoring in, and also it helps you know people, and you never know, they might offer you a job when you're done with your degree, probably help you pay for your college, your degree and all that. Just make sure that you try to do undergrad research. I know a lot of people will have a job, so I understand it might be difficult. Make sure you do really good in your prereq classes because it will help you as you further on into the 3000s and 4000 levels of classes you'll be undertaking. And also, make sure you get familiar with your professors, other classmates, because they will help you in your field. And also, make sure, I think it's very important that I don't want to say take some business classes, but study a little bit in business, because I know a lot of people want to start their own companies, especially make apps and stuff like that. And if you have a foundation in business, you know, knowing where you're going, it helps you a lot. So this is all at Jeanette College Help. The next video we'll be talking about other majors such as psychology, major in math, aerospace, chemistry, literature, English, and the outlooks for that type of field that you are acquiring to. If you have any questions, just email me and I'll be glad to answer it. Thank you and have a nice day.